everybody. So I've decided that I wanted to do a little experiment using PVA glue and resin to make blooms. And I had this idea that if I put a little PVA glue into the resin, that maybe I don't have to wait for the pigment paste mixture to heat up for as long. So as far as coming up with this idea, I really came up with it because of Daniel Cooper. Basically, he had maybe like a year or so ago, he added a drop of PVA glue to his resin in order to thicken it so that the glitter would not sink in the resin. So it thickened it up enough so that it kept the resin, the glitter evenly dispersed through the resin. I did look up on YouTube just to see if anybody else had done this already, and I saw that Andy from Custom Carving and Epoxy UK has done this by adding the glue into the base part. I'm going to link his video down below so that you can take a look at that as well. And I want to thank you all so much for being here, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video, and let's hope this works.
kept. Live it loud, let the good times fly. Stretch your arms and kiss the open sky. No rewind, no pause, just press play. All in every moment, every single day. Throw on my shoes, chase down the street. Every stranger's a spark waiting to meet. Life's not a movie, no script, no plan. Just doing my best as I take a stand. The clock's tick-tocking, but I'm not scared. The thrill of life's a story we all share. Heartbeats racing with every step. No regrets with every breath I've kept. Live it loud, let the good times fly. Stretch your arms and kiss the open sky. No rewind, no pause, just press play. All in every moment, every single day. Throw on my shoes, chase down the street. Every stranger's a spark waiting to meet. Life's not a movie, no script, no plan. Just doing my best as I take a stand. The clock's tick-tocking, but I'm not scared. The thrill of life's a story we all share. Heartbeats racing with every step. No regrets with every breath I've kept. Live it loud, let the good times fly. Stretch your arms and kiss the open sky. No rewind, no pause, just press play. All in every moment, every single day.
So let's see what we got. Oh, okay. It looks interesting. It does look interesting. Now, I can see where the second layer bloomed. This looks like a mess. I don't know. So this will be put into another project, but just so you can see what it looks like. All right. Now this one was the 101 resin with the PVA glue for the base, as well as 101 resin pigment paste and PVA glue for the bloom. So let's see what we got. Ooh, no. Wow, look at that. Do you see that depth in there? That's pretty interesting. I think, wow, actually, that's pretty interesting. So it's like the glue. Now this causes me to think like, okay, what am I gonna do next with this? Because look at what the glue did. When it was mixed, it made these little pockets in there. Huh. So again, this is gonna go in my next table. Okay. So now we just have the regular 101 resin with the alcohol ink, and then the 101 resin with the pigment paste for the bloom. So this one and the next one, they're just regular blooms. So let's see how they came out. Ooh, that looks a little like the last one that I did. That I kind of went over it with the Cricut, and well, I think this came out better than my last one because it actually has that flower shape, but it has some blobs. So Not 100% happy with it, but I think it's pretty. So here's the last one, and that side's pretty too as well. Same thing, it was just 1:1 resin for the base, and then 1:1 resin and pigment paste with no glue on this one. So let's see. Ooh, that's pretty too.
The moonlight paints the room in glow. A silent pulse begins to grow. Electric sparks ignite the air. I create like no one's there. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. Shadows dance on the midnight wall. They whisper secrets, they hear my call. Neon colors flow through my veins. I paint my heartbeat through the pain. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. The clock is silent, we defy its rules. Love's the fire, it fuels my tools. Crimson dreams and sapphire skies. My art comes alive, it never lies. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. Tonight, tonight. Colors burst like wildfire flames in my head. The sparks, they came, canvas whispers, paint my soul. Art's the key, it makes me whole. Breathing life into the void. Every thought gets deployed. My passion roars, the world will see. Crazy mind, wild and free. Creating art, it's my fire. It's my voice, it's my desire. Here I stand, my heart exposed to the world, my truth composed. Sketching stars, the night's alive. In this chaos, I survive. Lines take shape, emotions fuse. Every moment I refuse to lose. Let them see what's in my veins. Raw and reckless, joy and pain. Through these strokes, through these rhymes, I'll share my soul 1,000 times. Create art, it's my fire. It's my voice, it's my desire. Here I stand, my heart exposed to the world, my truth composed.
This is interesting. That's what we're looking like. That's pretty cool. That's the one where I did the clear push in the center. I did the same thing with this one, so. Oh. See, actually, I like this one better. It's rounder centered. It's an interesting look, I think. Here is the regular 101 bloom. Ooh, wow. I think that's my best bloom yet. Wow, that's pretty. I'm happy with that. And then this one is my glue base regular bloom. Okay, and it's actually pretty as well. But this one, that's my absolute favorite. Wow. So this is the glue base. I think it's pretty. It definitely bloomed. The center got lost a little bit, but I think that's something that could work. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day.